Let's create this cute Halloween style October calligraphy. First step is to decorate the corners so it gives nice look. Second step is to write your desired word at center. I am using pencil at first to obviously avoid mistakes. After writing cool calligraphy with pencil, I use my art pen on top of it. You can add extra styling too. Third step is to add a cute circle around October. Now I am making a Halloween type tree, means spooky tree. Also you can see, I am using pencil fires to avoid mistakes. Fourth step is to use art pen on top of it, if you use pencil at first like me. Fifth and final step is to color, so that I look more nice. Don't you think without colors things look incomplete?